Alright, solo, steep turns. I got full power in here, man, and just ease it over nice and slow. She's up at 4,000. Look at the vertical speed. 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 Whoa. Look at the vertical speed. 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 Just keep concentrating on that vertical speed. Okay. I'm right there. I'm right there. I'm right there. I'm right on the altitude. I'm right on the heading. Okay, now I'm going to the right. Bring it over slow. Bring it over slow. Watch the vertical speed. Watch the vertical speed. Watch it. Watch that vertical speed. Keep that vertical speed in there. Bring it down a little bit. Watch the vertical speed. I'm at 145. Watch the vertical speed. Watch it. I'm 45. Come on down a little bit. I'm north. Watch the vertical speed. Watch the vertical speed. Just keep that in there. Watch my vertical speed. Watch it. Okay. I'm at 5,000. Come on, bring it back up. Okay. That's about as good as I can do it too without my autopilot. Talk to you later.